What's up everybody? Welcome back to Soft Wash Evolution. In this video I'm going to show you exactly why you don't resort to bleach every time you wash a house. If you look at this place behind me, notice what it's made out of. You don't use chemicals on stuff like this. I'm going to show you how. So this is the house I'm about to wash. You'll notice this is not vinyl siding. This is very, very expensive cedar siding that is stained with oil. That door is obviously either a maple or an oak hardwood. So is that door, so is that door. There's probably 2 or 3 more doors around front. Pretty large home by the lake. So don't instantly resort to, I wash houses, everything gets treated with bleach. Because this is one you do not want to use bleach on. Cedar is a wood. You can use SH to clean cedar if it's painted. You'll notice in my other videos, I run across a lot of cedar siding. We have a lot of it up here. Well, we used to. All the newer places seem to be wrapped in plastic, but higher end homes, a lot of cedar siding. They usually paint them. Painting is a little easier to maintain to some people. This one is stained. Stain soaks into the wood, protects it, a little more resistant to the sun. You do have to restain over time. And there's different types of stains, there's different qualities. I'm not into it, so I don't know everything about it, but I do know when you use oil-based stain, it soaks into the wood and it lasts much longer. It's what gives it that deep, rich look to it. If you go up and touch it, even though this is rougher cedar, I mean, it's been planed a little bit, but it's still rough. It'll have like a gloss finish to it. That's the stain, the oil-based stain. Lasts a lot longer than the water-based stuff. You can see this house, it's pretty expensive. We are right across from the lake. That's their dock right there. I'm actually going to go pressure wash that dock when I'm done here in the house. But cedar like this that's stained and not painted, I'm going to just clean with soap and water. You can use oxalic acid to clean it up and brighten it, but this stuff's in such good shape, it really doesn't need it. I started wetting everything down because I do have to treat a couple of spots on this porch roof right here that had some moss. But I wanted to shoot this video quick to show you. Don't just bust out the downstreamer or the soft wash pump and start hitting everything with bleach. You get a house like this, the bleach probably won't penetrate that oil-based stain, but in the event that it does, you will be in for a nightmare if you have to pay for it. The doors also, a lot of homes have hardwood doors that are stained. Don't use chemicals on them. Stay away from it. I'm just going to use the soft wash pump in this. I'm going to use some water, a little bit of house wash soap, knock down all these cobwebs that are hanging around up here under the overhang areas. The south side where all the sun was there, I touched that. It's got a lot of pollen, a lot of dirt. We do have a lot of pine trees around here, so you'll get a lot of tree pollen. That's all there is though. Not anything organic growth. So there's nothing to bleach. There's nothing to use SH on. Houses like this, don't resort to chemical right away. Always know what you're doing. So if you have painted hardy board, which is cement board, painted cedar, any type of painted wood, vinyl, things like that, you can use your SH. Start with lower, dial it up higher if you need to kill some of that heavy organic growth. You get stained wood like this, do not use bleach on it. And also stay away from those doors no matter what kind of house you got. That's it for this video. I'm going to keep wetting everything down, as you'll notice, the blacktop driveway. Wet everything down. I got to treat that roof over there by the porch. Wash this whole house. Go pressure wash that deck. And I'm on to the next one. Leave me a comment if there's something else you want to see. If you run into a stained house like this, remember, don't use bleach on it. That's it. Thanks.